you a first home buyer or an investor searching for a quality brick home with further scope to add future value to the property? Spread on 560 square metres within a family-friendly location, footsteps away from Sackville Street Primary School. My name is Tyrone Porntip from J. Newham Property. Behind me here is 63 Sackville Street here in Ingleburn. Make this your next move. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, a sensational opportunity to purchase a property with so much potential, moments away from Ingleburn Town Centre, the train station, great schools and local amenities. My name is Tyrone. We'll be seeing you at our next inspection.